Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Linked Options widget, a handy feature that improves your store's shopping experience by automatically hiding unavailable or sold-out product variants. Alright, let's dive in. Accessing the widget. To access the Linked Option widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Template, select the product information, and choose Variant Picker. To enable this option, go to Theme Setting, Free Widget, and toggle the Linked Option widget. When enabled, this widget hides unavailable product variants on the product page. When disabled, unavailable options remain visible but are shown as unavailable. And that's it! You've successfully set up the Linked Options widget, helping create a smoother and frustration-free shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.